Some stupid intro bit thing. Ooh. Today we're working on the burnout truck, which is a 1994 Dodge Dakota with the usual amount of wear and tear, and a well-used 318 Magnum V8 with multi-port and the optional battery hold down. It even sort of works. Disjointed jump cuts, and most importantly, a pair of rather large toolboxes. The frame. And I've reached the exciting part where I get to put the compressor up to it to figure out where those go to mount the actual compressor in here. That won't go like that because it would be upside down. The cage is almost done for the air compressor to live in. You'll notice it's partially welded because that's what I did when I started with it, and partially bolted because I ran out of metal and had to get more. So no welder here, and well, I'm going to have an air compressor at the end of the day here. This has to be off actually for it to go in. It's upside down. This is what it will mount to. Well, upside down and sideways, something like that. And I'm just going to shoot it with a coat of paint just because. Let it dry a bit and then put it in there. Let the paint dry and you've got a compressor in a box that's in there solid. Then you stop and you wonder why they put the third brake light right there. And you put it in the box. If you're really feeling fancy and you have a lot of scrap plastic laying around, you can even put a cover on it. No, open the toolbox with one hand. I heard something fall. Yay, accessories. Yeah, English is failing me. What I ordinarily wouldn't even bother filming is just putting some accessories in it / together. In this case, the air gun, which is going to go on this spirally hose crap, and then I'm just going to put some regular ends on this 50-foot of hose. That's going to go back in the toolbox underneath it. Probably. This kit seems a suspicious amount like it's designed for the air compressor I'm using it with. I don't find that very likely. That might even be usable. Please, no questions about the last segment. There you go, it's all hooked up. You can... Hey, I'm out of the wind noise, which has plagued this part of this episode because it's like a week later. Cover lifts up. Simply not hear a darn thing. Let it charge. Okay, that's about enough of that. Try and shoot between wind and traffic or something here. That is onboard air done and dusted. Literally, because I've been driving this truck with that in there for a week, so I got a little dusty. Ha! Have also had to install new rear tires because bald tires and rain don't get along very well. Not in all of this. Yep, that's all for now.